Cyence is really different than some of the other competitors out there in the market because Cyence combines data scientists, it combines risk modelers, it combines security experts, it combines insurance experts. This allows us to collect our own data that's sort of unique in that space. And if you collect that data and you know how to use it or how it propagates down the line, you're able to modify it and make adjustments to get the best value out of that data. In an average month, we'll look at more than a petabyte of data. And we do this, again, in a continuous fashion. And that's just the starting point as a building block before we apply our data curation, data mining, machine learning, and artificial intelligence algorithms on top of this information. We do model updates roughly annually. In cyber in particular, because technology evolves so rapidly, it's important to make sure that your models continue to be accurate, that you're accounting for new events that are occurring. Also, because we use a lot of data in our modeling, we're able to collect more and more of this information. So we want to feed that to create better models for future releases as well. Part of the way that we maintain the balance between stability and accuracy is we think about our attributes and we look for ones that are more stationary. So part of our thesis is that because we're looking at non-technical risks, we're looking at behavioral attributes. And behavior tends to be a little bit more stable than a technical indicator. So for example, we're not looking at something like a vulnerability to a system, but we're looking for iteration across time. Another thing that we'll do to help ensure stability is that when we get new data sources, we spend a long duration testing it first. So in development speak, this is essentially creating another branch for development, and we're testing other alternatives for the model. And at the appropriate time, when we see signal lift and stability, we'll make that change before releasing a new in-production model version.